today I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough on our brand new software called as First Page Ranker. This is a first of its kind and a complete video ranking solution. And yes, you can rank a video even if you don't create a video or even if you don't have a video. That's how we do it. So let me explain you the app and let me show you how you can do all these things instantly. Okay, so this is the dashboard and you can get a complete overview of First Page Ranker in a single page. You can see all the events, that is the total scheduled events, completed events, live events. Here you can see all your limitation, or if you have any kind of errors, you can see all of them here. You can see active YouTube accounts here, how many events has been scheduled in the future and how many has been live till date, and all the notifications here. And you can get a complete summary of all the events here, like completed events, pending events, and the events that has errored out. And even you can clear all the error out even by just clicking on this button. And here you can see all the medias that you have with our First Page Ranker system. And here you can see all the videos that you have created using First Page Ranker. For example, you can see all the videos that has been created with rebrander here, all the videos with green screen sections here, and all the YouTube downloads here. So this is our dashboard. And now let's move to the actual part. So you can add a YouTube account using the accounts page. Here you can add a YouTube account. All you need to do is to click on add channel and authorize our app to access your account. That's it, just 2 clicks. And let's move to the ranking section. Here we have several options for ranking a video based on your style. If you want to go live, that is called as instant live, all you need to do is to click on this button, fill out all this information, select a video and select a thumbnail and click on go live. That's it. The system will create an event and it will schedule this video to go live within 15 minutes. Yes, that's right, you can go live in just 15 minutes using this section. Now let's go to multi-spin section. Here in this section you can so this is the multi-spin section, and here you can create a lot of events with just one event. For example, if you just add one title here and one description here, and if you click this automatic spin tag generator button, it will automatically create up to 100 variation of the same title. That is, it will automatically create a spin tags of the title from high quality synonym database, and then it will use it so that you can use the same title and description in a different way, and you can create up to 100 events with this feature. So all you have to do is to type a title, type a description, click the button and then click on next. That's it. In this step you need to select all your settings, scheduling setting and all those things. For example, I just want 5 live events from those datas, and the time gap should be minimum of 2 hours and maximum of 6 hours, and the starting time should be this. And go to next, and you can select the videos here. That is, you can either select a single video or you can select multiple videos. So all those videos will be shuffled and it will be distributed among the events, and it will go live at the scheduled time. So now let's move to automated events. So this is a fully customized event creation section where you can create an individual event. For example, you can click on add new row. You can give a title here, title 1, description 1, tag 1, comma tag 2, enter, click on add. So now you can see a row has been added. You can schedule each and every event individually, or you can use our advanced scheduling options here, so that you have complete control over all the events that has been created with this system. So this is all about the ranking, and here event list, it will show all the events created using these sections. And in the event settings, you can easily add a prefix, suffix, or the tokens, and you can even select a formatter for your titles, which you can use in the automated event section. So now let's move to the video studio. Here in this video studio, you can download a video from YouTube, or else you can use your own video using our inbuilt and most comprehensive video editor. You can easily add an intro, outro, or lower third, or even a logo, or else a watermark to the video, and everything is done with our cloud system. That is, you don't have to do anything, just upload the video, give the command, and our system will take care of all those things. So for example, this is the wizard. I'll just give a title, test 1. I'll select a video file. Next, here you can configure the intro and outro. You can either use a video, or else you can use images, and our system will automatically combine multiple images into a slideshow and create a video out of it, and then it will merge with your main video. So the same thing will happen for intro and outro as well. So here you can add a watermark, you can configure the position, you can add a lower third, or else, and you can add a text for lower third. All of this you can configure here. You can also select an image for lower third. We have a lot of inbuilt images. You can use either one of them, or else you can use your own image as well. So this is all about our video editor. Now let's go to the video rebrander. Here, video rebrander is quite simple. It will allow you to download a video from YouTube, and then it will allow you to add an intro, outro, and lower third, watermark, logos, and text onto it. So we have kept it very simple. So all you have to do is just put a keyword. For example, I'll put as iPhone. I'll click on search. And now I get all the videos that is related to iPhone. I'll just click on this, use this. So now system will automatically download that video, and whatever editing you are doing here, it will be applied to that video, and it will be uploaded in your channel. You can see the preview here as well. So the editor will follow now. So this is how you can easily rebrand a video. And now let's move to the green screen section. So this is a very simple green screen editor where you can easily remove your green screen from your videos, and you can add an image or else video. We have a lot of inbuilt motion videos that you can use as a replacement for your green screen, and also we have a Pixabay integration where you can select a background images as you like directly from Pixabay. So that's how this green screen editor works. So now let's move to the image studio. Image studio has image gallery and image editor. Our image editor is a very simple point and click image editor. So let me show that to you. So here all you need to do is to click on create new, set the size, click on create. That's it. Now you got the frame. Here you can do anything that you want. For example, if you want to add a text, you just need to click on this and see you got the text here. So if you want to edit, just click on it. Demo for first page ranker. And now if I want to change the color of it, I just need to click on this. See, the color has changed. Now when you click on save, the image will automatically save in our picture gallery, and you can retrieve those images and use it during our video creation process as well. So now let's go to the lead generation system. This is a comprehensive lead generation system. We acquire the leads using Facebook, and you can do a lot of things with this. For example, you can get the leads, generate an SEO report, and you can send it to them using our inbuilt autoresponder. You can find all about our autoresponder under schedule email section, where you can easily schedule email to your target leads. And yes, we offer a lot of inbuilt templates which are proven to work, and you can find all of them under email template section. And if you want to create your own template, you can also do that there. And this is nothing but it will generate an SEO report from the client's website, find analytics and user details. Here you need to go and enter all your details, and all your reports will be completely white label. So that's how this works. In the SMTP info, you need to enter your SMTP details, because that is how the emails will be sent. So this is all about lead generation. So let me do a lead search and show the example results to you. Plumbers in New York. So this is all the results that we have got for the keyword plumbers in New York. So here you can see the social stats, you can see their emails, and you can see their exact location of the stores. That is their name, address, phone, and literally you have everything that you need to make a contact with the lead, send them email, follow with them, and convert them as your client. So this is all about lead generation. Now let's move to the SEO analysis. It is a very simple yet most powerful tool to analyze your website and give all the points which are failing, which are essential to get ranked in both Google and in YouTube. So I'll be clicking on SEO analysis. It will take me to the new tab. Here you need to enter a URL. For example, I'll enter easy rank tracker, or else you can use the old, or else like other reports as well. These are the sites that we have tried so far. So for example, if you wanna see the report, you can just click on this. That is, if you have already searched for a site, all of them will come here, and when you click on them, you will see all the entire report here. You can download as a PDF as well. So these are the stats that are failing. For example, see this XXX. So literally you'll get all the data about that particular website. So this is all about SEO analysis, and this is all about our first page ranker. Thank you so much.